Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change language in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, just go ahead to your camscanner applications over here. And after, at the bottom, we'll find out the Me options. Just tap on it. And if you want to change the language, now we'll find out here the scan application. Just go ahead on this scan. After select the language option, just go ahead and tap on it. As you can see here, I used in English. So if you want to change it, you just have to scroll it down to the bottom and choose the language that you want to use for this camscanner application. So guys, for example, here I'm going to use an Arabic. Just tap on it like this. And after, just go back because it will save automatically. I'm going to go back. I'm gonna close the application. Now I'm gonna open it again. And as you can see here, for my camscanner is already changed to an Arabic language. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.